Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, with the second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 10th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, so three puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic with four stars, and it's time now for the four stars Sudoku. Is this really four stars? We don't know. But this will be number 5460. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, 30 minutes or more. So is this really a four stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here three ones. We have here three twos. No, four twos. All right. How about the threes? 1 3, 3 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. All right. 2 8s and 2 9s. So the twos and the sevens are a majority. Can I start with the two? That's the question. Well, will be difficult. How about the 7 then? 7. 7. Come on. This is also difficult. 7 is also difficult. All right, then I need to look for other numbers. 8 5 5 5. Okay, let me scan the 8 in this column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And now I can continue with the 2, I believe. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the will be the 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Well, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these two boxes here. 2 in the first row, so no 2 in those two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only three places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here a 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. Yes, cannot continue with the 2 now. Let me see for another digit. How about the 7? Still cannot. Well, no. Well, 7. No. Cannot continue with the 7. Let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 4. We have a pair, I believe. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And we have a 1 in the last row, the 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with 4, we have a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So the other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. Last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7, 7, okay. Yeah. The 7 in this column, the 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 7. How about? Yeah, thinking. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 4, okay. Then. We have a 4 here. 4. No. 9, 3. 9, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5. Need an 8. 5, 8. 8. Well. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. Third column. So this box, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 4. So this box can be a 1 and more. This box should be a 4. And that box should be a 1. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the first column for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3, 4. 4. 4. Then. We have a pair again. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 6 and 1, 6 and 1. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7. Okay, cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the last column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Then 1, okay. How about 9. Yeah. Thinking. 5, 6, 9. No. Here, the next step. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 6 and the 8 are left in this big square. Let me mark those 6 and 8. 6 and 8. 6. Then 1, 1, 2, 3. How about a 3? 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5, 8, and 1. Okay. Come on. This is taking too long. 7. And the 4. 7, 4. With the 8, 8, 8. 8. Yeah, need the 8. Need the 1. 8. Yeah, also an 8. 8. Yeah. Come on, this part is difficult. 7, 2, 4. 5, 5. Well, 9, 3. Well, we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. The 9 should be here. The 3 should be there. 3. Yeah. So 1, 5, 8. Okay, 1. Here can be 1, 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 3. Well, 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Oh, alright. Now I know where the 5 is. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Well, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. In this column, here or there. We see another 5 in this row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 5. Now we have a 5 here in the middle column. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 now in the middle column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 4 and 8 in this row, the 4 and 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. The 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 and a 1, we have a 1 here in this middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in this column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 8 now in this column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Wow. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Sorry. Yeah. 3 and a 9. Oh, the other pair. Yes, the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the last column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, faster than the previous Sudoku. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. The thing so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.